Hi everyone, I'm Sean. I'm the owner of SportBike Chic, and I just wanted to take some time to show you how to install our CE Level 1 padding that comes with your SV jeans. So just to recap, what's so special about our jeans? First thing is that it has that little extra lip in the back so that when you're riding, you don't have that unintended exposure. The next thing is that it has 100% DuPont Kevlar, so we're not blending any materials with that. And then also it has lots of stretch in there. Last thing, nice deep pockets. And they're, of course, nice and comfortable and soft. And again, they look like normal jeans. So we want our jeans to just transition really well so you have protection, but you also have the style that you normally would wear. Okay, so let's get started. You're gonna have these two sets of sets of padding. This is for your knee, this is for your hip. So the way this is actually inserted, you have your hip insert right here. This is already in here. You have the Velcro right at the top. You undo the Velcro, take it out, right? So your black portion is always going to be facing on the inside of the jeans, while the white or the yellow portion is going to be facing out. But all you're doing is making sure that the flat portion is facing the rear of your jeans, while the slit is facing the front. You're just going to slide these in there and it really is that simple. Call it a day. Now, for your knee pads, you're just going to turn these over, right? Lots of Kevlar, right? Turn these over. Okay, so here are your jeans inside out. You have your ankle right here, and then you have your pocket right there. And you have Velcro right here at the bottom, okay? So you're gonna face this like a little candy dish, and then the wider portion is going to be facing the top of the jeans, okay? And the smaller portion is gonna face the ankle. You're gonna just insert it just like a little candy dish, just like here. And you may have to wiggle it in there a little bit, but it's flexible, so you should be okay. And then, after you get in there, all you're doing is fastening the Velcro, and that's it. So you can go ahead and turn your jeans right side out again. And again, they are installed. Padding's right there. And you have the hip insert right here installed. So if you have any questions or any issues with your jeans or any of your products that you purchased from SportBike Chic, please feel free to drop us a line at customer service@sportbikechic.com. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.